running businesses, but I will do duck business. That's all. This is a nice job, right? Take a white side, white side. She's my mom. You guys are happy with this?
Happy.
Give me money.
Money? What a money? No money.
No money? This is our village tradition, yeah? You have to give me money. Give me money. Why are you hiding it? Give me. Leave from me.
this?
Just go.
Hey, help me! Hey, man! Come on. Yeah, take my hand. That's it. Good job. Very good. Are you okay now? This old village has improved so much. Underworld photography and all, huh? Here, by the by, even I'm a photographer. Fashion photographer. From UK. Hi. If you don't mind, can you tell me around here where can I find a nice figure? You know, I mean for a magazine. Because I want it to be very natural.
Shall we go that side?
Hey, can you get us to the shore? Hey, be careful, man. Jockey. Hey, bro, we lose the view. Jabala, kaha? Let's go.
When you pack up all the vehicles, will you off the light?
Will you finish it before the festival only? Still you have so much work. Mary mother, you want any help?
No, yaar. Don't want. Where is Mar Papa?
Mother? I also came in search of him. I got one wedding order.
So many mosquitoes here.
Stationary work is there,
I will
no?
slap you. Huh. Whose marriage?
Our member Mini's marriage.
Is going to get married just because he showed his dhoti.
That is what happened. Our cameraman is only broker.
What?
His shorted video became viral and became police case. Then we had to catch the feet of Mini. Along with Toma, we went to police station. Then finally landed in the court.
Oh.
Finally, to come out of the case, the idea which police gave to Toma helped in getting married to Mini.
Huh?
You didn't understand? In front of his wife, if he removes his clothes, which police person will file a case?
Then what about Mini's problem?
To clear the bad name from Toma, they tried to create some nuisance. To inform him regarding this, I am searching him from the afternoon.
Have you seen him home?
No.
On the way, just drop me to my home.
Ayo, Mary Ma, I will drive the vehicle.
Simply get in.
Not like that.
I just said to get in. Yeah. When I learn perfectly so that I can buy a new one.
For that you want buy bike only?
Get in. Hold tightly.
There is nothing to be scared of. Anything happens, God will take care of us.
We can go 100 speed in this bike.
My pressure will increase.
Oh, he's sitting here only. Who?
Escaped.
How was my driving?
Take this milk and make a stay. I'm feeling like I got rebirth again. Oh my God. He became a scientist or what? Seems like crackers bursting in the coil. Has he come to such a bad situation?
You know that complaint has been booked.
Any complaint booked on your phone? You didn't pick my call.
All these days complaint was about you only. Now camera and mobile is also complaining about you.
Tell me, the complaint booked on your camera or lens?
Both have some complaints.
Like that?
Take, here is the 10,000 bucks. This Sunday, member Mini's marriage. Work for you only. Advance amount full have taken. Tomorrow we will go to market and repair the camera from this amount.
I took into the town. It's not repaired.
Very good. Now we got a solution for this. Mary mother, I will leave now. No need of tea. Like mother, like son.
Hey, this fell in water.
No, I only pour water.
Oh, okay, like that.
Mom, can you get me some 2 lakhs?
Huh?
I'll get new camera.
2 lakh rupees? What? Did your father kept 2 lakh rupees? Tell me. Huh? You are asking me?
If my dad was there, why I should ask you?
See, his grave is there. Go and ask him.
What happened? Why you sitting in a dark room? Hey, listen to me, bro. There is one second-hand camera available. The selling person contacted me only. You check the item first, and if you like it, I'll get it for reasonable rate. What you say? Brother,
Yeah.
the person is at the door itself. This is the studio which I told you. How is it? This is your own camera, right?
Ah, Mr. Underwater Photographer. Uh-huh.
So you know him from before, huh?
Why don't I know him? Yesterday when he was doing the underwater photography, I was the one who helped him.
Underwater photography, yeah. He don't know to swim only.
You don't know to swim? Were you trying to kill yourself? I don't believe it. You live in this village and there is water around you and you say you can't swim? Huh?
Not because of that.
Then?
At his early age, he saw his father's dead body floating on the water. From then onwards, he's very much scared of the water.
It's okay. Poor sentiment.
It wasn't my father who died.
But you know, there is no sentiment in business. So this is the item, Canon 5D Mark III. German made, 7200 tele. The cost will come around 3 lakh rupees. But for you, I'll give for 1.5 lakhs. Hey, no bargaining, okay?
That is what. He said the truth.
I know what you all are thinking. For my necessities, I won't trouble my family. They have earned a lot. I'll try to sell something and use it for myself. That's my plan. How was it? Did you like the camera?
Yeah, but the rate is...
No bargaining. There is no compromise in the price. I already told you, right?
Hey, can you come in for a minute?
Who's
Hey,
that?
brother.
Huh?
Take this 15,000 rupees. Keep
Yes?
it as advance amount.
Okay.
Leave this camera for now.
Okay.
We'll give you the remaining amount later.
No. I'll give you the camera only if the full cash is ready. Or else, I'm sorry, I'm not interested. Give me the camera.
Hey, give the cash.
Sorry.
He looks to be a clever guy.
What?
He'll become a good businessman. Brother, will you sell this bullet? Not for me. There's a person with ready cash. Hey, come. He's the elder son of Ilicha, still bachelor with cash in hand. Keep this cash. No use for now. Don't stare like that. We'll try to arrange something. There is still time for marriage. Keep it as photography charges of Minnie's marriage. Don't want mint sleeve?
Mom?
Dun da dan. Huh? Did he mistaken by thinking it's chapati? No. Hey, this is pancake. Eat once, it will be nice.
Yeah. When my stomach is burning, you will bring this cake and all.
Oh. Then you don't want this too?
What? This is leftover poison my dad had, right?
I adjusted this money by pledged our house and all our property to Bullish Bank in a high interest.
You don't worry about this and all. I will work hard and I'll make a lot of money from this.
When you bought a new bike, you said the same thing. At the last, finance people took away your bike.
But this time it won't happen like that. I will somehow arrange the money.
See.
I won't leave you to drink this leftover poison also.
Huh? What are you talking? I'm not going to drink this. If you don't pay the loan, I will mix this in food and kill you. Did you got this?
Dad, you really drink that and died or...
No, yaar. I gave poison and killed him. Come, food is ready.
Mummy,
Huh?
close the door, Mummy.
Where are you going?
I'll go for Motta house and come. Need to speak about some camera.
While coming from his home,
Ah,
bring 10 eggs as well.
okay.
Tomorrow I make egg toast for you.
Mary is doing lot of varieties nowadays. Oh, it's very cold here. Who's that? Jessie. What she's doing now here? Hey, Jessie! Ayyo!
Are you okay? Come. Okay. Come up.
No, I'll stand here only. When I'm jumping to water, my dhoti went off. That's why.
I guess we'll find some nice fishes here.
I think maybe it is a water dog.
We'll try our best. We might find some nice ones.
See, why did you jump to water?
To die.
To die, huh? Why?
Exam result has come out. I have failed.
For that?
For my studies, my father has invested 10 to 20 lakhs. But last night, he corrupted 2 lakhs in agency for me. Not only that, he told all my neighbors that I am going out of country. If he know that I have failed, he will kill me.
If he would have killed you, suicide is not the solution, right?
What can I do rather than this?
Don't say you failed. Please stay calm. I'll do something, okay? Did anyone know that you have failed here?
No, they don't know.
Then don't say to anyone.
Sorry.
It's okay. This generation girls, if they are happy or sad, hugging someone is very common nowadays. Jessie, if a lion hunts for a rabbit, rabbit ran away, then what will lion do? Again he will hunt. Again he won't get it. Again he will hunt. Till now, any lion tried to commit suicide if rabbit ran away. Have you heard anywhere?
The story is good. But till now, no lion has left the animal he got to eat.
Oh. That investment he put here only, right? Okay. You don't know swimming, right? Why you jump to water for suicide? Huh?
While committing suicide, I forgot that I don't know swimming. Now you tell me, you don't know swimming and why did you jump to save me?
That is when I coming in a speed, I just jumped. Then now we two, how can we go? There is only one way.
This is very bad to attempt the suicide, okay? suicide is not solution for everything.
I didn't thought of that.
Then you can write the letter and suicide, no?
Oh my god. I have written a letter for my family.
Aha, super.
When you go to home, you tear that letter, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, go. Take care.
Hey, did she attempt for suicide or somebody else pushed her or whatever it is? Let her die. Hey, what are you going to do now?
You have to save her little.
Mia,
Hmm.
even after paying 30 lakhs, she couldn't pass by herself. I'm just 10th pass. How can I do it? How can I make her win?
Don't say like that. When rainwater rushed into the home, you came as a houseboat and rescued everyone and went to your home like your Vasu-san,
I
right?
was sincere.
Then do anything for this.
What is the way? It is the curse of the village people.
What do you mean?
Her father cheated village people and made her study from that amount only. How can she
These
pass?
village people are the matter here.
We both are from same village, no?
Okay, leave her matter. For my sake, do something, bro.
There is only one way.
Huh?
But it is little complicated. As she studied in Bangalore and people doesn't know that she failed in the exams, we can work out on this.
What you are supposed to tell?
Duplicate certificate.
Oh my god. Duplicate certificate. Is that risky, right?
What risk you have? If she gets caught, it's her fate.
If she caught, she will not get so early, right?
How will she get so soon? You want president certificate, huh? Tell. These people do it regularly. But it is going to be little expensive.
How much?
If we have 1 lakh, we can make it ready.
1.5 lakhs.
Hey, it is not the matter of just printing on the white paper. To go to foreign countries, you have to put seal and do attention.
Attestation?
You can say that also. If you give mark list and details, within 1 week, you will get the certificate in your hand.
Yeah, if I had, I would have spent that much.
Yes, yes. Do you think 1 lakh matters for Umach's daughter?
Somehow we can arrange the money. Oh my god. That suicide letter?
BDS application in Bangalore in Sisters College.
I don't have any use having two doctors in a same home. You understand? Told you when you were in 10th to become sister. You told I want to study. What you do by studying like this? Huh?
Let her achieve her dream.
This is not dream. This is our dream. For the sake of God, she has born. This is my mother dream also. So what she will do by studying so much? I am right, Rosie? You forgot that, huh? I don't want two doctor and two sisters in a same home, okay?
When I took admission, the fees and donation is double only.
Oh, for this you all prepared, ah? Okay.
After my course also, you have to invest 1 lakh for my placement and all. Compared to this, nursing is best. For that, I will help her. For that, she can study here itself. If I go foreign means one should be here not to look after you.
She is also right.
Hey,
Where she went?
Anyhow, for the amount of 2 lakhs, this work is little high, right?
Is this a work? You should work.
Leaving not to go for any other work and keeping next to you is the real work, huh?
Hello? Till now. After landing in Thoma home, straight will come church. Will be free after Thomas marriage.
Hey, move aside. You made me put on the pants. Are you happy now?
excuse me. Why you didn't come for church?
Me, actually, just a support to mom. Okay, what did you call me?
Excuse me.
How did you call that?
Huh? So what?
Nothing.
Excuse me. That day we spoke, no? Will it happen?
You be brave. I'll take care of everything.
Take it.
What is this?
Leave about it. Before anyone sees, keep it in pocket and go home and open. Huh? Okay then, I will leave. See, excuse me. However, we get duplicate mass card. So please, make it first class.
Really is a daughter of Ummachi only?
Police going to Ummachi house.
Why they are going to Ummachan house?
Yesterday, Ummachi's house got robbed. Yes, I am going there. Will you come?
Other than this file, do you find anything else is missing here?
And my daughter's costliest chain is also missing.
Then I guess there's going to be a big investigation here.
Sir, if I don't get that mall also, I want that file. Please. I have very important documents in that. Oh God.
That's all eaten documents by this fellow from Panchayat.
I know you people tell like this only. I know this is all planned. I thought you are the theft. I know that.
You calling my leader as a fraud? Ummacha is a fool! 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 Ummacha is a
Stop
fool!
this man! For fighting and showing Dhoti, this is not your political party house. We came here to investigate. Shitty papers.
Look, once the thief is caught, somehow I'll get the necklace. Okay? Constable, call him here.
Constable, call him.
Hey, I told you, you call him.
Sir!
Hey, is party thief Cletus, right?
Party thief. What kind of thief?
You have heard party advocate, party rowdies, like that only party thief he is.
Go that side, man. What are you
Boss,
saying?
not yet
Go.
finished.
Huh?
Hey, get
take
me the
it, sir.
suitcase here. Open this. Why don't you also try? Something might be
Come,
missing.
we'll see. Everything is there, no?
Hey, Toma, just wait. The necklace is missing.
Nothing is missed.
Do
Everything
you
is
believe
here
that?
only.
Okay, leave that. Who asked you to come and steal here?
This Toma told me. Toma sir, if you stand like this, what is the meaning? Tell them. You are the one who told me to steal it, right?
Then, Toma, you have to come to the station.
Okay, finally. By believing in this fellow's words, you're trying to fit
You
me.
can all relax. Somehow you found the suitcase. Next is the necklace. Brother Cletus, where did you keep the necklace?
I don't know, sir. I am a honest thief. I won't steal gold and cash. I have some ethics. Okay?
Hey, tell me the truth, yaar. Tell me the truth.
I took the chain. While going out, I saw someone in the junction, so I jumped into lake.
Then,
When I came out from the lake, there was no chain. Maybe it is fallen in lake, right?
are you asking me that?
There, it will be there.
Sir, it will be there in the lake, sir. They're dead or what? Oh, did I call you to pick the grass inside the lake? Go take and come the chain.
Shut up.
Sir,
Tell me the truth. Did you really jump here?
If you ask me like that, yeah, I think here. Here only.
But you're not
Maybe,
sure about
yeah,
it.
here only.
Hey, tell me this. When you were diving, did you have any clue?
When diving, yeah, when I was diving, the moon was here only.
Huh.
If moon is there means sun will also be there, right? Then I was right. Here only.
see what are examples he is giving. I will clear your doubt right now.
Oh my God!
Hey, what is wrong with you?
Where did you drop out the chain? You should take and come that right now. You will show your talent in front of police.
What is this, man?
Why are you getting tensed like this? We should take out the poison from beaten snake only.
Sir, the snake is going to next village in search of poison. See there.
Bye.
Heavy traffic reported ahead.
Block? Where it is?
Continue straight. Heavy traffic reported
God.
ahead.
I'm not seeing any blocks that you are
Turn
going to
right.
say. Right?
At the roundabout, take the second exit.
I think I'm Richard. Oh my god, this got ended.
Keep left.
From past you are saying left, right, that's all. Bro, to go that side, there is any boat or ships available?
Go reverse 8 kilometers ahead and there you'll get a spot. If you cross that and go for 16 kilometers, you'll get the destination.
Oh, that's all, ah?
You need the fish?
No,
Fish,
I
right?
won't eat raw fish. I eat cooked fish.
Yeah, same studio. Call it. Hey, look here. If you have finished talking, will you listen to me now? There's one item going to land today.
I'll call you later. Who's that?
Separate ticket.
What?
Person was somewhere here only. I think he lost his way somewhere.
What left? If we still go to left, we will fall into river.
Huh? Freddy, did you lose your way?
What are you asking about that? That Google has made me to roam a lot.
It's okay, leave. Somehow we reached the place on time.
Continue straight.
What is this? I came here, you just shut up.
Eh? Come. John,
Yes.
he's Freddy.
Is that the guy?
How's your work going on?
After this, I should give an LLB certificate. This is not like before.
Looking like fresh?
Nice. The marks is bit high. I made that.
Yeah.
Take.
Thanks.
Not this. I said to take out the cash.
Oh, yo, sorry.
I don't want sorry.
And for the detailing, have you bought the failed certificate?
Take. Bro, you won't count, huh?
This business works on belief, right? And one more thing, don't try government job on this. Outside the country, there will be no problem. No problem at all. For me, no problem. Okay,
Heavy
I will
traffic
leave.
reported ahead. Keep right.
I already came here and I know how to go back also. Please off this and give. This is a big problem. Please off it.
That's it.
That's all.
Yeah.
This simple is this. We cannot go anywhere believing this. We'll forget the route. That is for lover?
How did you got to know?
No one will put so much efforts and money to make fake certificates for sisters, right? All the best. All the
Thanks.
best for you too.
Hey, why are you telling all the best to me?
Let it be. It will use in future. Okay, I'll leave now.
He is well studied.
How did you know?
He studied 6th standard. Tell me, where do you adjust the money?
That is, I sell some gold.
Whose jewels?
Jesse's jewels. I gave you first class only.
Excuse me,
Huh?
with this can I go to foreign?
You can go anywhere, but don't go for government jobs.
Oh, who will go to government job? They will pay very less salary. Oh my god, you didn't mortgage this?
In our place, there is no shop for taking duplicate gels.
Sir, if I don't get that mall also, I want that file, please.
Oh my god, dad only fooled us. Please forgive me.
Why all these formalities?
Then how did you get money for this?
That I'll do rotation, I'll adjust.
After going to foreign, I'll return your money.
That's okay, we will go together.
Okay then. While going to foreign, I'll get you good camera. If you didn't save me on that day, I wouldn't survive today.
For that, you only saved me.
Seriously?
Hmm.
Oh my god, dad is coming.
Where? If we write names over here, what we think it will happen, it seems. When you have that in your wrist, even in my absence also, it will remember me.
Excuse me, after earning so much money in foreign, we'll buy that island.
Okay, we'll purchase.
After that, we should build a small penthouse. And I want white and violet flowers all over there.
Mm-hmm.
And I want fake rain around the house. Oh my god, glass roof is enough for house. From there, we can see stars, clouds, moon, everything. And in home, I want big aquarium with full of fishes.
In lake, there is a lot of fishes. You can adjust with them only, right?
Excuse me.
Oh.
Ooh.
In hall, I want big piano.
Why?
I want you to play the piano and I will sleep listening to that.
Oh. Then I have to learn piano also. For romance, piano is must.
On a beautiful rainy day, while singing to this water, flowers, I want to listen you playing the piano. I want to be so peace.
While it's raining, if he holds umbrella, that will be so nice, right?
No, yaar. We both are enough,
Oh,
right?
Is it enough?
Oh my god.
What? This is all happening, huh? Your mom told everything about you, about your love also. I am here for children. I give everything for my children. So you are dreaming of your life. John is goodbye only. I'm right, Rosie. He looks so smart. However, he suits for you. In this village, people don't give respect for cameraman and for studio also. But you have very respect and he live his life in that. I have invested so much money for your education. I will take that money from any panchayat fund. I don't lose. Am I right, Rosie?
However, she didn't love other caste boy.
Support her, support her. You are a very good mother, Rosie. You listen. This kind of facilities you will not get in that home, okay? Here you will get hot water by geyser. There you have to put wood and all and do. She has to fire it. With her she has Mary who has ration card. We should not tell simply. She has killed her husband by leaving that they are good people only. Really, really very good people.
I know what is your political move is. What you people say I don't mind. I will marry to John only.
Mommy, if I get married, I'll get married only to this girl.
This girl is beautiful.
Huh.
If their family accepts, we can get married to this girl.
She is village president Umachi's daughter named Jessie studied BDS at Bangalore and passed in first class.
Mommy, give him some tea.
God, please take care.
Huh? Mary?
Oh, Umachi is there?
Yeah, is there. Dear, come inside and sit.
Okay.
Tell, dear.
I have sent my mother to your house to talk about my marriage.
Is it?
We have to do something. Huh? What, Mary?
I wanna talk about our childrens.
What happened to children? All children are fine, right? Rosie, you are fine, right?
What I'm saying, they both are loving each other.
Mary wants Umachi daughter to get married to who has ration card. Oh my god. How is the plan, Rosie? Why you are not talking anything? After marriage, while coming out of church, if anyone asks, no, girl is a doctor. But the boy, he is a cameraman who took photos for everyone's marriage. And also he is the owner of ration card. You should dream for your level only, Mary. Not more than that, Mary. See, look here. You be in your limits. You are not here to ask my daughter, okay? I have invested so much money on her education and she passed in first class.
You spent lakhs of rupees and made her study, but I made her pass in first class.
Look here, Jesse. I want you to earn lakhs together. That's why I invested so much money. You understand? Not to eat ration rice and live life. You want means you can go with Mary. Huh? Mary went off, huh? Mary, what is this? Why are you going like this?
If 3 people come, it is not auspicious. That is why he didn't bring us. Now, do you think any logic is there in this? Can't blame Umachi for all this. Your ration shop rice is little of bad quality, isn't it?
Huh? What is she doing here?
If you come for marriage purpose, I will tell now only. I am not here to invest so much money on her education. I don't want her to eat ration rice. I want her to earn money. Hope you understand?
If she wants to go to some other country and earn money, is London okay? Huh, my daughter and son-in-law are in London. And they have a son, Peter. He is my grandson. He is a very good fashion photographer there.
Why are you standing and talking? Please come. Please sit. For my children.
Really? You don't have to get married immediately. Now engagement is more than enough. For 1 or 2 years, let the girl go and settle there. Once she come back, we can plan. Nowadays, these generations first want to settle and then get married. That has become a trend. Che, I will not go for anyone home for asking bride. You are getting old. Still, I didn't marry you just because you are loving a girl and it's written in your fate. If you believe that she will come when you call her, then take her and come.
It's she only. 100 years for her.
Hello?
Dear.
Huh?
I want to meet you urgently.
What happened, Jesse?
I'll tell you when you meet.
Okay.
Oh no, I forgot to bring the charger. Hey bro. What, she's coming with empty hand? Has he got the cash to buy clothes for her?
If we'll be together, you'll face so many problems. You have spent so much money on me. How much money have you spent so far?
That is maybe 1.5 lakhs.
It's your own money?
No, I have rotated and adjusted. I can repay in 1 or 2 years, right?
After marriage, if you go to foreign, like 6 lakh we have to give for all the agencies and finance company. For arranging 1 lakh, you have to work for 2 years. For 6 lakh, you have to work minimum 7 to 8 years. After marriage, if you don't go for foreign, by keeping that certificate, I don't get any work in this village, right? If everyone know that is a fake certificate, I can't live here, no.
But love is greater than money, right?
In matter of money, love will not be work out, no. Like this, after working so hard, we get so much fights. So before that, it's better to break up.
That is right.
I don't have any other option right now. I decided to end my life on that day. I got my life back because of John. Now the same decision if my family takes means now I have responsibility to give their life back. Am I right? Not because of us. They have sacrificed so much, so we have to live for their no.
Jesse, stop it, it's enough. There's no need of both at one time. You first leave now. What all imaginations? You call her, she comes down. Both you run away, together you both cook. Hey John, don't make me cry, I'm telling you. If she goes, let her go. Oh brother, please stop that song.
Which song?
The song which are playing now.
Who will play the song in the shop?
Then from where it is coming? Oh, it is coming out from the heart, is it?
Well, why did you say her don't give 2 tips at a time?
Advice and tips. Both should not come at a time. That you didn't understand, but she understood very well.
Excuse me.
Look, bro. When there was no way, you were there to help her. When lot of options opened in front of her, she forgot her old path and went in search of a new path. In search of a colorful life. Bro, give me one more bottle.
Why are you drinking like this? We cannot drink and waste our life just because a girl cheated. That's not your life.
She's the one who's supposed to drink, thinking that she lost such a good human being like you. Did you get it?
Hey, that's mine.
Sorry. My mistake.
Bro, give the booze.
Hey man, why do you need so much booze?
Today is our Peter engagement.
Hey, so who's the bride?
Umachi's daughter. Umachi is lucky for that. Marriage will be after 2 years, but she will go London now it seems.
That girl with the Marpapa. I got it. They're having a great time since morning.
Oh. A drink from my side to our love failure village guy. When I got to know that you're roaming around Jesse, how much I struggled to break up with you. I only know that struggle.
Who the hell are you to do all these things, huh? Hey, I won't leave you.
Don't come.
Hey, don't run. Hey.